In this video, I'm going to show you how to set out and install your own Mosaic Victorian-style floor tiles. Whatever type of floor you're going to be laying your tiles on, make sure it's prepared. It needs to be clean and free from debris. You also want to check the level. It's very important that you do a dry run of these. So I'm going to leave these in the packages. I'm just going to lay them on top and just see how they work out with the length of my room. Start off by mixing your floor adhesive in a bucket, some clean cold water, use an electric drill and a paddle. This way you'll get a nice smooth consistency that looks like this. Start to spread that out with the flat edge of the trowel, then comb that through with the notched edge. I'm using a 6mm notched edge trowel. Start to lay out the borders, straighten them up as you go with the straight edge. Once they're in place, start to lay the internal tiles, gently pressing them down as you go, only committing to one row at a time. So I'm just setting my last corner tile now on here and using my damp sponge again, wiping off any excess adhesive that's on there. So that's all the tiles now fitted and fixed into position for my hallway. Once that's dried, they must be sealed with a pre-grout treatment before you actually grout them. You're looking for more 60-second tips, like and follow us on TikTok. And if you want to know more information about the products I've been using, just visit the website, tilemountain.co.uk.